Hello guys, my name is Sanket. In this video, we are going to talk about how we can use business hour in org to control the agent availability. I'm talking about this in the context of a service agent user deployed on a web through messaging setting and embedded service deployment. So consider that like there would be a business scenario where you don't want your AI agent always to respond to your customer, right? So you want your AI agent only to work in a specific hour or only to work in a specific days. So in such cases, how we can manage, right? So what I'm going to show you here is basically we have a hotel booking agent, right? Yeah. So I have deployed this hotel booking agent on this website here. This is a Salesforce site. We have made it public. But right now, if you see the agent chat icon is not appearing because I have configured it in a way that it is only available for some time during weekends, Saturday and Sunday. So first, by default, like let me go to business hours in this setup. So if you go to business hours, right, you can create the business hours based on your organization requirement. Like you can decide what are the holidays if it really matters for you, right? So by default, like we can keep my agent is support to work 24 hours, right? If in a specific scenario, let's say my agent only to respond for some time during weekend or any other day, so I have both configuration available here. So if you see Monday to Friday it's 24 hours, Sunday and Saturday it's like just for an hour. Now, so once you have this kind of configuration, you can control. So you can, all you need to go is you can find out your agent deployment, right, through messaging setting. So this is my messaging setting for my agent. I'm routing the chat to hotel booking agent through this messaging setting, and this is my embedded service deployment here. So all you need to do is you need to go to edit setting, and then you can switch between the business hours, or you can just remove it all. So I'm showing you the first version. So let's say I'm not keeping any business hour at all, and since I made a change in the embedded service deployment, I'm going to publish it so that it reflects on the site. If you do not publish it, it doesn't affect. So now since I published it, let me refresh once. Yeah, so now you can see the chat button appears because I do not have set any business hour here. If I say hi, it should respond back to me. Yeah, it's working fine. Let me go back and just select this one, service agent business user, where I have like kept during the week and just respond for some hours. So I'm going to save it now, and again I need to publish it. If you don't publish, it won't, the changes doesn't take effect on the UI. So I just click on publish again. Yeah, it published. So let me refresh the page. You can see, right, the chat icon, it's still there, but yeah, like I can just end the conversation and refresh the page again just to make sure the catches are gone. Yeah, so there is the chat icon doesn't appear at all. So this is how, like, this is one way to control the agent behavior in Salesforce, right? Like you can control any agent should be appeared on your website or not. This is just one way. There are several others way which we will talk in some other video, but yeah, this comes very handy in certain use cases. Thank you for watching this video.